Manufacturers are facing many challenges, including shifting market trends, evolving customer preferences, regulatory mandates, and supply chain disruptions. To navigate these and to stay ahead of the competition requires leveraging technologies like Advanced Manufacturing Execution Systems, or MES. Integrating MES accelerates digital transformation and provides valuable insights into the operations. However, adopting a traditional MES system can be prohibitively expensive. Cloud-based manufacturing solutions provide an innovative, cost-effective alternative. Now manufacturing teams can bypass lengthy development efforts and get an intuitive solution running in days instead of months. This is a good time to bring in today's guest, Cody Ban, Vice President of Engineering at Austin, Texas-based SmartSights, to discuss how MES can help manufacturers gain a competitive advantage. Cody, let's start by talking about the advantages of integrating manufacturing execution systems into a manufacturing plant.
Well, as you mentioned, there are challenges. These are challenging times for manufacturers. And so the promise of improving productivity, optimizing efficiency, and cutting costs should resonate well. One of the most significant advantages associated with MES is real-time visibility across all levels of production. These systems monitor work steps ranging from equipment, materials, data collection, both automated and manual, continuously making sure that people and equipment are operating according to policies. The main functionality of MES is to provide factory managers and workers with the information so that they can detect efficiency losses and bottlenecks through tracking KPIs like OEE, support continuous improvement plans by providing a data foundation for Lean or Six Sigma, correct deviations on the shop floor before unplanned downtime occurs, ensure traceability and compliance with quality and safety standards, integrate with maintenance management, CMMS, EAM systems, and generally help eliminate the use of paper documents. Basically, MES technology gives organizations the ability to take responsive action when it comes to data-driven events occurring on their production chain.
Yes, absolutely. So if this technology is so advantageous, why doesn't every manufacturing plant already implement MES?
It's a steep hill to climb. Even in the best of times, there are numerous internal reasons why full adoption of an MES solution takes so much time and effort. Each manufacturer is unique, and disparate, disconnected internal systems very often lead to complex integrations and inconsistent production data. And to fill gaps, plant personnel lean on manual data collection to capture losses and generate efficiency metrics. But that information is often grossly inaccurate. Operators may misclassify downtime reasons or simply forget to log an event, and they may feel like they're under pressure to inflate performance. Moreover, many fault conditions are rare and may take time to fully enumerate or encounter in production. Hopefully, you're not experiencing every possible kind of hardware or power failure in a week. And so it's a long iterative process to adopt MES completely. And those high implementation and operational cost, complexity, and flexibility mean that some facilities are unable to practically take advantage of the powerful MES systems that are out there. However, third-party MES accelerators, such as SmartSights Able, are supporting and complementing this market by providing a solution that's fast to deploy, simple to configure, easy to use, and cost-effective for all lines and sites. Organizations can leverage these accelerators to realize quicker return on investment as they work towards a complete MES solution. And manufacturing teams can bypass lengthy development efforts and get an intuitive solution running in days instead of months. The Able solution enables manufacturers to quickly and easily digitize their processes, build production records, and then manage those in real time from one centralized system. Able's innovative fault learning system, it allows those rarer fault conditions to be learned over time and to get rolling more immediately with the common cases. Able provides powerful visualizations, full control over production chain, enabling improved product quality and process optimization with ease. So I'll give you an example that illustrates the benefits of using this sort of advanced technology compared with manual data collection. So a national bottle company's manual reports indicated that there were 5 stops during the week on a line when there were actually more than 375 stops a week. That's quite a disparity. So imagine the sort of inefficiencies that arise when decision makers are working with information that is that far removed from reality. Additionally, the lack of real-time data meant that plant personnel didn't receive information until the next day on how well they performed the previous day. So that further impeded progress. And many of those were minor stops. Minor stops refer to brief interruptions in production that are typically resolved within minutes. And those pauses can result from various factors: equipment malfunctions, material shortages, tool changes, even brief operator interventions like clearing a jam. And since an average production line stops an astounding 20,000 times per year, there's a lot of room for improvement. These short interruptions may seem inconsequential at first glance. However, their cumulative impact on productivity and profitability in aggregate can be staggering. According to Aberdeen Research, downtime costs manufacturing facilities $260,000 per hour. So MES solutions reduce the frequency and duration of these costly downtime events, and MES accelerator apps allow organizations to see more immediate returns and gain valuable insights faster. So if manufacturers are considering adopting MES or upgrading their MES solution, certainly take a look at accelerator apps such as Able.
Those are some very scary examples of reported versus actual line stops.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing those with us, Cody. Do you have any more information to help a manufacturer who's considering integrating more technology?
Well, I recently read a PwC report that emphasized that data integration is among the top challenges faced during the implementation of Industry 4.0 initiatives, including MES adoption. I think that underscores that effective data collection requires embracing advanced solutions that go beyond traditional methodology. By developing advanced software, manufacturing plants can accelerate and drive OEE uplift, avoid problems before they occur, and reduce engineering time. Leveraging advanced technology like MES accelerator apps allows organizations to increase productivity and efficiency and reduce cost in the near term. And that has longer term impacts. Prioritizing operational excellence not only fosters growth, but it also positions organizations for continued success in today's ever evolving business and manufacturing landscape. In the face of uncertainty, being able to quickly make data driven decisions is key.
For sure. I couldn't agree more. Okay, well, thank you for your great insights as usual, Cody Band from SmartSights. Before we leave, if our viewers want to know more about SmartSights Able or any of your other technology solutions, where should we send them?
SmartSights.com.
Perfect. All right. Thank you so much, Cody.
Ciao.